Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare a very easy vegetarian recipe, kadai bindi. First of all, wash bindi 2 to 3 times in water and keep it to drain in a strainer. Ensure to completely remove the water using a towel and cut the bindi into pieces as shown. Remove the top and the bottom side. While cutting the bindi, you may find 1 or 2 pieces which is hard and rubbery type, so remove that off. Bindi or okra is cut and kept ready in a separate bowl. Let us run through the ingredients quickly for the preparation of kadai bindi. Take 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste which is freshly grinded, 1 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 1 medium sized onions cut into small pieces, 1 tomato, 1 onion, half red, green as well as yellow capsicum to be cut into cubes. All the ingredients is now ready. Let us start the preparation. Switch on the burner. Keep a non-stick pan. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil or refined oil. Once oil is heated, add the cut bindis into the pan. On a slow flame, toss the bindi so that any moisture left in the bindis will be removed. This will help so that the sticky which comes out of the bindi, if there is moisture, can be avoided during the preparation. Almost the bindi has been tossed well and still the fresh green colors is retained too. Do not keep it more on the burner. Remove it into a vessel and keep it aside. Again, we need to continue the same process. Add 2 tablespoons of refined or sunflower oil. Now, once heated, add the cut cubed capsicums, yellow, green, red as well as onion and tomatoes, and continue the same process which we did to the bindi. I am not frying it. Most of the recipes you could see bindi and all these things are deep fried in oil for a few minutes and just removed. To avoid too much of oily content, I am not doing that. The tossed onion, capsicum, tomatoes is ready now. And once you feel that it is half done, just remove it into a bowl and keep it separate. The final preparation is the masala for the kadai bindi or bindi do pyaza. Right now, keep a kadai or a wok and add 2 tablespoons of sunflower or refined oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste which was kept ready and mix well along with the cumin seeds. Let the raw smell of the ginger and garlic paste get removed from the oil once mixed well and fried in this oil. Add the chopped onions. Saute the onion for minimum 2 minutes so that the onions will become soft and turns brown. Now add the chopped tomatoes to the same mixture and saute well till it becomes smooth and get mixed along with the onion and the cumin seed and ginger garlic paste. Almost the onion tomato has become soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, spoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and also half teaspoon of jeera powder too. I am also adding half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder too. Now add the salt as per taste required. Mix well all the masalas along with the tomato and onion, which is already become smooth and it is becoming dry. Reduce the flame. As the mixture is getting dry, add little water to the mixture so that the dry spices which is added will not burn, and this will avoid the burnt smell coming out from the masala. Now the base masala for the kadai bhindi is almost ready. Now we need to add 2 tablespoons of fresh thick yogurt to the mix and mix it well along with the other spices which is already cooked now. Now add the pre-saute capsicum, onion, tomatoes as well as the bhindi or okra to the masala and mix it well. Dear viewers, the masala is well mixed with the okra as well as the tomato, capsicum and onion, which you can see a thick gravy with the bhindi is ready to savor. Amazing vegetable recipe. Everyone will like this. Hope you will try this at home too. Perfect blend of masala is mixed with bhindi and the vegetables. A perfect combination for rotis, naan or parathas or even fulkas too. Hope all of you enjoyed this session of bhindi preparation. So it is a very easy and simple recipe where everyone can prepare. Please stay tuned for upcoming new vegetarian as well as non-veg recipes in the coming days, which I will be posting it soon. Dear viewers, if you like this session, please don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive automatic notifications once my new videos are uploaded in YouTube. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.